your email account. The first thing you need to do is go to the Gmail website, which is www.gmail.com. Once you're there, click on the button in the bottom right corner of the screen that says Create Account. This will take you to the form you need to fill out to set up your email address. The first thing you need to do is type in your first and last name, like so. Then, you need to select the email address that you want. All Gmail addresses follow the same format. The name you choose, followed by the @ sign, and then gmail.com. So, for example, if I want my email address to be libraries are awesome, I type that in. However, because so many people are using Gmail, not every name you want might be available. Like your street address, every email address needs to be different so the email can be delivered to the right person. So in order to make sure no one already has chosen the name that you want, you need to click on the Check Availability button. Fortunately, the address is available, so let's continue. Next, it's time to select the password. This should be something that is easy for you to remember. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters long, and you need to type it in twice. Now it's time to pick a security question. Having a security question means that if you forget your email password, you can use the answer to this question to reset your password. So you want it to be something that's easy to remember, but not something that lots of other people know. Something like your library card number works really well for this. The next thing is the recovery email. If you already have another email address, you can type it in here. This is another security feature for if you forget your password. Many of you are probably watching this tutorial because you don't have an email address already, and don't worry. We can just leave that box blank and move on to the next step. Next, you need to choose your location and then fill in the word verification. You type the word as you see it in the box below. This is to help stop computers, rather than real people, from setting up email addresses. The last thing is the terms of service. This tells you about all the rules of using a Gmail account. Although many people never actually read this, reading the fine print is never a bad idea. Once you're done, click on the button that says I accept, create my account.